Bets, the weather is a lot like the market. Up one day, down the next. You never know where we're going with this thing. It's just
so
hold on for the ride.
It's so interesting you say that because we are always looking for analogies of what could possibly compare with the number of variables that go into a weather forecast. And the stock market is literally the only other thing that is as volatile as what we are trying to do when we predict the forecast. So we get hits, we get misses, but boy, we nailed this one. That temperature drop today, 65 last night, 8 and 9 o'clock. The rain came in, cooled us back into the 50s. And look at where we sit now. We're sitting in the low 40s, and we have a whole lot of ups and downs that are still to come our way. Feels like temperatures right now are in the 30s across most of the area. It feels like it's in the mid-30s right along the lakeshore. The cool air has settled in, and we will continue to stay cool tonight all the way into Wednesday morning until a warm front gets here. And you can see that we have basically what's known as a zonal flow that's set up across the country with cooler air in the north, warmer air in the south. The bad news is this is all going to get jacked around because of a significant storm system that is sitting off the west coast. And this will once again re-energize the atmosphere and bring in another chance for severe weather. Now, tomorrow we're anticipating the severe weather to be in the Central Plains states, but by the time Wednesday rolls around, it's starting to get a little bit closer to home. And we do have the potential Wednesday night to have some strong, possibly severe storms moving in. So that storm system that's out to the west is going to start to really rev things up in the Plains states over the next 48 hours. Stop the clock here at noon on Wednesday, and you can see the storms are generally to the north of us. These are associated with a warm front, the front of the warmer air. So we're going to find our temperatures Wednesday skyrocketing through the afternoon ahead of the cold front, the front of the colder air. And when that colder air gets here Wednesday night into Thursday morning, we are anticipating it to activate the possibility for severe weather. Now, what type of severe weather are we talking about? Right now, the main mode of severe that we're looking at is probably the heavy rain component and high wind. We may get some hail out of it. It is a non-zero chance of tornadoes in all of this too, so we will certainly be on our toes and keeping a very close eye on that. I'm going to do a little 1-2 for you here. I'm going to show you the 10-day and then go back to your National Design Mart hour-by-hour forecast, skip it through a few graphics. Temperatures in the 40s for tomorrow. I think we're going to just get right over the ridge into the low 40s in these mid-hour forecasts here, but it's definitely on the cooler side with those variably cloudy skies. Wednesday, we're not ready to call a weather impact alert yet. We may end up doing that tomorrow or even Wednesday morning as we're waiting to see exactly how those storms are going to fare. The fact that the severe weather chances overnight is actually in our favor. It usually gives them a chance to calm down a little bit, but we're going to continue on with rain all the way into the weekend forecast in your Union Home Mortgage Outlook, and that means heavy rain potential. So we'll set up that story for you coming up in the next half hour.
All right, Bets, thanks. We will see you soon.